Welcome to our guide on creating the perfect nursery. Whether you're expecting your first child or adding a new member to your growing family, designing a nursery is an exciting and sometimes overwhelming task. Your baby's room will be a place of comfort, creativity, and growth, so getting it just right is key. Today, we'll walk through essential nursery design ideas that blend style, function, and safety to give your little one the best start. We'll explore key elements like choosing the right furniture, creating smart storage, decorating with a theme, and setting the perfect lighting and ambiance. Plus, we'll share some expert tips to make sure the room evolves as your baby grows. Ready to create the nursery of your dreams? Let's dive in. When it comes to nursery furniture, functionality and safety are top priorities, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on style. 1. Crib safety and longevity. Start with the crib, the centerpiece of any nursery. Choose a crib that meets safety standards. Make sure the slats are close together and the mattress fits snugly. Look for convertible cribs that can transition into a toddler bed later, extending the life of the furniture as your baby grows. 2. Changing tables with storage. A changing table is essential, but choosing one with built-in storage can save you space and add practicality. Look for options with drawers or shelves underneath for easy access to diapers, wipes, and clothing. You can even use a dresser with a changing pad on top to serve both purposes. 3. Rocking chairs and gliders. Don't forget comfort for you. A comfortable glider or rocking chair makes feeding, soothing, and reading to your baby a much more enjoyable experience. Choose one with armrests and supportive cushioning for those long, late-night feedings. 4. Adjustable furniture. Consider adjustable furniture like cribs with different mattress heights or chairs that can recline. This helps accommodate your child as they grow and adds convenience for you as you navigate different phases of parenting. 5. Dual-purpose furniture. Maximize space by using dual-purpose furniture, such as a crib that includes storage drawers underneath or a dresser that doubles as a changing station. These choices help make the most of small nurseries. Always ensure that furniture materials are non-toxic and lead-free, especially when it comes to paint and finishes. Opt for products that are certified safe for infants. If these nursery design ideas sparked your creativity, don't forget to like this video and share it with other parents-to-be who are looking to create a beautiful, cozy space for their little one. With a new baby comes lots of gear. Keeping everything organized will help keep the room functional and easy to navigate, especially during those busy early months. 1. Closet organization. If the nursery has a closet, install shelving, hanging organizers, and baskets to maximize storage. Use bins and boxes for smaller items like socks and shoes, and consider baby-sized hangers for clothes. Installing a second hanging bar can double your hanging space for tiny baby outfits. 2. Under crib storage. Make use of the space under the crib by adding rolling bins or drawers. This hidden storage area is perfect for extra diapers, blankets, or out-of-season clothing. 3. Wall-mounted storage. Utilize the walls by installing shelves or wall-mounted organizers for books, toys, and decorative items. Pegboards can be customized with hooks and shelves to create a stylish and functional display for everyday items. 4. Mobile storage carts. Consider using a rolling cart with shelves for diaper supplies, bottles, and other essentials. This allows you to move items around the room or even into different spaces in your home as needed. 5. Multi-compartment drawers. For items like pacifiers, socks, and baby lotions, use drawer dividers or multi-compartment bins. This keeps everything neatly separated and easy to find when you're in a hurry. What's your favorite element of nursery design? Share your thoughts or any nursery setup challenges you've faced in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now for the fun part. Decorating the nursery and giving it a personal touch. Whether you choose a gender-neutral theme or something playful and vibrant, decorating the space adds character and creativity. 1. Soft and calming colors. Choose colors that promote calm and comfort, like pastel hues, soft grays, or muted earth tones. These colors create a soothing atmosphere for both you and your baby, helping to make nap time and bedtime more peaceful. 2. Themed nurseries. If you prefer something a little more vibrant, consider a themed nursery. Popular themes include nature, trees, animals, space, stars, moons, or storybook characters. Choose elements that are easy to update, like removable wall decals, which can be swapped as your baby grows and their interests change. 3. Personalized touches. Add a personal touch by incorporating the baby's name, initials, or a meaningful quote into the room's decor. Framed art, customized wall decals, or handmade crafts can make the room feel unique and special to your family. Looking for more ideas to style your nursery? Check out our nursery design playlist for even more inspiration and clever tips to create a space that both you and your baby will love. 4. Growth chart. Wall art. Incorporate a growth chart into the room's decor, either as a wall decal or an art piece. This can be a fun and meaningful way to track your child's growth over the years while adding a decorative element to the room. 5. Textures and patterns. Mix up textures and patterns to create visual interest. Soft rugs, woven baskets, and patterned curtains can add warmth and comfort to the space without overwhelming it. Use temporary or easily removable wall art, like peel and stick decals, so you can change the look of the room as your child grows without a full makeover. This allows you to keep the room fresh and adaptable. For more nursery design inspiration and tips for every room in your home, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Lighting is crucial in a nursery. It needs to be both functional and calming. The right lighting will ensure you can see during late-night feedings without overstimulating your baby. 1. Soft lighting for nighttime. Install dimmable lights or lamps with soft bulbs to create a calming atmosphere during nighttime. A nightlight or small lamp with a warm glow helps set the mood for sleep and provides just enough light for checking on your baby without waking them. 2. Blackout curtains. For naps during the day, blackout curtains are a lifesaver. They block out sunlight and help create a dark, restful environment for better sleep. Third task. Lighting. In addition to ambient lighting, make sure you have task lighting for specific areas, like the changing table or reading nook. A small, focused lamp in these areas makes late-night diaper changes and bedtime stories much easier. For a whimsical touch, add a star projector or soft light that casts gentle patterns on the walls and ceiling. This can provide comfort and create a calming bedtime routine. Explore more of our videos to get home design ideas for every room. From nurseries to living rooms, we've got plenty of inspiration to make your home feel complete. And there you have it, everything you need to design a nursery that's both beautiful and functional. From choosing the right furniture to adding personal touches and ensuring the lighting sets the perfect mood, these ideas will help you create a space where your baby can sleep, play, and grow in comfort and safety. Love the nursery items featured today? Find links to all the products in the description below so you can bring these adorable pieces into your own nursery. Remember, your nursery doesn't have to be perfect from day one. Start with the essentials and let the room evolve as your baby grows. The key is to create a space that's flexible and functional while being a reflection of your style and personality. As your baby grows, the nursery will become more than just a place to sleep. It will be where they explore, learn, and take their first steps. Don't be afraid to adapt and change the space over time to meet your child's evolving needs. Adding new decor, updating storage solutions, or even introducing new colors can keep the room fresh and exciting without a complete redesign. Lastly, remember that creating a nursery is as much about your comfort as it is for your little one. Make sure the space feels calming and practical for you too, as you'll be spending a lot of time there. Whether it's a cozy corner for feeding or just making everything easily accessible, a well-thought-out nursery makes a huge difference in your daily routine. At the end of the day, your nursery should reflect not just functionality, but also your family's personality and love. From the little details like wall art to the comfort of the furniture, every choice you make contributes to a space that feels warm, welcoming, and nurturing. It's the first room your baby will call their own, so take joy in creating something special. Thank you for joining us on this journey.